Well, some of you know that to get back up here, thanks to all of you that were here last year and said to Darren and Rutabaga, please bring the guys back. And we're back, of course, and we did it because a lot of you helped us out with what we had a Kickstarter campaign. In fact, 3 people, we sang the extra dogs' names on the video. They actually helped pledge to be in the Kickstarter campaign by putting their dog in the video. Well, we have another category today only for the Kickstarter campaign, and we're going to come up with that in a minute, but I need to say a few thank yous first to those Kickstarter people. Thank you so much, and all of you out there. Please give them a round of applause. And we have some other folks throughout Canecopia that have just been really, really good to us, that have helped on the same campaign. Not the least of which is the Wabakimi Project. If you're familiar with the Wabakimi Project, they are just an amazing group of people. I have canoed and paddled with them, and they are involved in clearing up all the trails of the Wabakimi Provincial Park. It's a great experience. Please go by their booth, look and see what they have to say. Please tell them thank you for bringing us here. We really do appreciate that. Also, Ostrom Outdoors. All those great packs and bear barrels that are made over there. We actually used a barrel on the expo floor today. Tim turned it into a drum. It was great. It was fun. And so please say thank you to Ostrom Outdoors and MTI Adventurewear, makers of those PFDs that you all hopefully are wearing all the time when you're out on the water. They were very, very helpful. And then we step up a notch and we go to, where are you, Scott? Come on, there he's hiding in this thing. Old Scout Outdoor Products. If you don't have a bungee dealy bob, you do need to get one because he needs to pay for the sponsorship. Scott, raise your hand. Old Scout Outdoor Products. Thank you. And finally, last but not least, of course, Rutabaga has come forward and been very, very helpful both financially and on many, many levels on bringing us here. So please go to the customer service desk. Tell them, unless of course you think we suck, don't go them, but go to the customer service desk and tell them that you really appreciate us coming. It's no small task to bring these very talented musicians up here and get them rehearsed and get them up here in a van. Poor guys. Of course, John decided to fly up in his loves diapers, but we really do appreciate you doing that and keeping the good stuff going. So, the other Kickstarter people, I am amazed that we even had anybody decide to do this, but we did. They have agreed to play cowbell on this next song. And they have agreed to play cowbell with none other, if you will welcome him to the stage now, Ontario's happy camper, Kevin Callan. Tim has offered to help him zip it up. I thought he was going to pull his udder there as well. Get in the middle stage. Now what you don't know and he's not even, yeah, he is from Wisconsin. What you don't know is that Kevin, when he was in college, played drums. Is that right? So he's got the percussion. So we have to bring up some helpers now, and the first person to pledge for playing cowbell with Kevin Callan has a degree in music, so she knows what she's doing. My friend, please welcome Linda Childs up to the... Where are you? Where are you, Leslie? Oh, she's right over here. Leslie not only wants to play cowbell, Leslie was actually the star of this song in the video. If you go... Come on up. She's too nervous to be introduced. She was the star of this song in the video, and the song is called Too Tired to Start a Fire. And if you go on the internet and put on YouTube, look for Too Tired to Start a Fire, you're going to see Leslie leaning back, holding herself a Cracker Jack box, and having a good old time out in the Boundary Waters there. Leslie Klopfenstein. And finally, my paddling buddy. Somebody came forth and convinced, where is he?
I'm over here.
Oh, he's hiding. He's hiding. My buddy Phil was also a music teacher And believe it or not, Paul Schaefer was his student. From Thunder Bay, Ontario, the Wabakimi Project, Phil Cotton. All right, so we have a cowbell for each and every one of you. There you go. It's signed by the band, by the way.
Oh, cool!
Okay.
They'll never let me knock to the border with that.
Let's make sure we don't try to at the same time. You'll have to share a cell. Okay, so we have, we got to get some drumsticks to all of you. So we have, let's see, we have a drumstick for Phil. We have a drumstick for you. We have a drumstick for Leslie. And we have a drumstick for
Does anybody want this?
I'd like to say the drumstick was purchased 2 days ago.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't eat it.
Don't eat it.
So I'm just going to play down here. This way.
He says, do you want us on the upbeat?
Let's try.
What's that Saturday Night Live?
I would not try to tell this group what to do for 1 second.
Now, what I need is, they obviously are a little bit inhibited in spirit. Are you familiar with the Saturday Night Live routine, More Count? Okay. If you're not, you're going to be familiar with it very soon. All right? So, what I'm hoping they will do, and I'm probably hoping against hope, is that they will play this song, they will play cowbell during the chorus of the song. Too tired to start a fire. Okay?
Oh, not through the whole thing?
It doesn't really matter, I suppose. But, boy, that is where did you get that from?
Where they hear some Americans give it to me. It's gone.
So, but they're going to need some coaching from you. And when we get to the chorus, if they're really kind of skeptical, sketchy about this, I'm going to ask you, I'm going to say, what does this song need? And you know how you're going to respond?
More cowbell.
That's a little subdued. What does this song need?
More cowbell.
Count it off, Tim. Well, I carried her pack, carried mine too, loaded up the gear and shouldered the canoe, set up the chair, picked up the tent, wanted her to have a good experience. And I made her a dinner fit for a queen, with all the fresh trimmings, if you do what I mean. Even packed in her favorite Chardonnay, thought it was a nice touch to cap off the day. As the sun started setting, she said, "You know what I think it's me. Wouldn't it be great if we started a fire?" Hold on, guys. All right, everybody. There's something missing here.
More cowbell.
I didn't even have to ask him. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm too tired to start a fire. Too tired. Give him a big hand. I'm out of breath. Jesus. Oh no, you won't hear me complain. All she has to do is smile. Her wish is my desire. So I'll be right. Make a sacrifice and never too tired to start. So I gathered up the kindling, rounded up some more, set it all up to make that baby roar. Even little hot tub over in the tent. Oh, that's pretty cool. You know, I thought the last chorus was okay, but it was just okay. What does this song mean? One, two, three. I'm too tired to start a fire. Too tired to dance in the rain. I'm out of breath. She's oh no, you won't hear me complain. All she has to do is smile. Her wish is my desire. So I'll be shining bright. Make sacrificing till I'm too tired to start a fire. Let this be a lesson in communication. Whatever she wants, guys, we have to rise to the occasion, and for them to rise to the occasion, they need more power! 1, 2, 3, and never too tired to start a fire. Too tired to dance away. I'm out of breath. She's a little wild. Oh no, you won't hear me complain. All she has to do is smile. Her wish is my desire. And I'll be make a sacrifice and never too tired to start. Too tired to start and never too tired to